How to update YNAB app. So hello guys, in this script video I will tell you how you guys can download YNAB latest version or update it. So the process was same for Android and iPhone. For that we will simply go to Play Store in our Android phone. If you guys have iPhone, you guys will simply go to App Store. So I will go to Play Store. Once you click on Play Store, on downside you guys will see search option. So simply click on search option. Here you guys will see on search app scam. So simply click here. Now hit search for the YNAB. So for update, I will simply search YNAB. After that, I will click on search. Once you click on search, you guys will see on second YNAB. So simply click on that. Here my phone was saying install. In your phone, it will say uninstall update. So you will simply click on update, and once you click on update, your YNAB apps updating will be started. And once it completed, you will get latest version. That's how you guys can do that in Android and iPhone. Thanks for watching.